This is Chris Kell with a general description of the tempo workout portion or circuit portion of our recovery day. All right, when we say tempo, the idea is continuous movement. So whereas, if I'm doing a jump squat, I jump as high as I can and I'm trying to move as quickly as I can. With tempo, I want to think about just moving at a slow and continuous pace. So I'm doing a squat, I'm just coming down. I'm never pausing at the top and the bottom, but I'm just keeping this motion going on. Once again, I'm just moving at this moderate tempo, not necessarily overloading my muscles, but never stopping. So we're kind of working on just the slow, continuous motion. And again, we're training sort of the slower twitch muscle fibers or the aerobic component, of our body, which is important. We also, generally with our circuits, we're going to pick a push, a pull, and a leg exercise. So we'll say 10 push-ups, 10 squats, and 10, TRX rows. And with that, we'll also pair that with what we call a tempo run. So that would simply be, 100 to 500 meter run performed at just a moderate pace. So think a little bit above a jog. The client wants to maintain. We want the client to feel their breath, but at the same time, they should be able to talk to you and kind of maintain that. I mean, if we're looking at heart ranges, we're looking anywhere from 120 to 150 beats per minute. Keep it aerobic. And what we'll do is we'll either perform this as an interval circuit where we have a moderate run, a push, a pull, leg exercise, or we will do something like a time circuit where we say 10 reps of each exercise and a 500 meter jog or tempo run performed back to back for a period of 12 minutes. Just make sure that you explain to the client the point is not to get as many rounds as you can. It's simply to move continuously, recover, get that blood flowing, and we don't want to go to the point where we start to feel kind of the burn on our muscles, because then things are starting to happen that we don't want. So keep it moderate, keep it recovery in nature, and that's our example.